I've done my BE in mechanical engineering in Mughendar Rahul College of Technology in 2023. After that, I worked as a petroleum inspector in Qatar Energy. Due to the health reasons, I had to shift my career focus from petroleum to data science. Then I followed by I done my internship at Rubix. Now I was selected as a AI engineer at Dataspark. The syllabus looks like they start from Python and followed by ML, SQL, and deep learning. For me, ML was quite difficult. I felt a bit difficulty, uh, but my mentors helped me a lot uh, to grasp the basics. Once I got a good understanding of ML, so everything was become easier for me later on. Since so Vikas's teaching was quite like he
Okay.
focused more on practical implementation, coding tricks. So I did not find difficulty. So it's absolutely
Oh,
because of him, sir. Four capstone projects, uh, from two projects from classification and two on regression. So I've done that four project on my own.
mhm.
During the that NLP and computer vision project, I've done with teams. So I had three people in my team, and I've during my internship period at Rubix, I've done client projects like NLP projects and CV projects. This is it, sir. Can I shift? I told the difficulties I've been facing on. So she said, you can switch together. So she gave me another interview opportunity from Dataspark. So I cracked this interview. So here
Yeah.
we have departments like NLP, CV, data science, ML kind of. So I told them I'm okay with work on anything you give. They focused mostly on AI and computer vision. So I would say they should not students should not limit themselves into ML only. They should explore all these stuffs in data science. Uh, Also, they cover Azure and AWS. These things, things helped me a lot, and I'd say so. The projects, those projects are real-time projects, so you can easily put in a resume and get easily crack the interviews. And coming to Pat team, so they're amazing. So previously I tried, but once I connected with Pat team, I got plenty of interviews and I cracked them. So